Hello guys, it's Random Investor here. Been a week or so, couple of weeks I think since the last update. I've been back at work full time, so finding it a bit more difficult, but we're looking good in the ISA so far. We're nearly 5% up. We've got 3 shares of 3M, which is 12.55% up. We've got 9 shares of AbbVie, 13% up. All Clear Group, we've got 6.8 shares. And you can see the huge amount of decimal places on there. That's because Trading 212 now allow you to buy shares as a value rather than a number. So you can type in a number there, for instance, £50. So that's why the fraction is so enormous. We are 10% up on Cisco with 14 shares. Nearly 10% up with Diageo with 10 shares. GlaxoSmithKline, we are 15.5 shares, pretty much breaking even, nearly 1% down. Johnson & Johnson, we've got 10 shares of that now, it's now my largest position. We are 2.38% down. Legal & General, 82.8 shares, and again that's a value one, that's why the fraction also large. 1.9% up with that. McDonald's, 2.8, 2% up. Microsoft, 1 share, 12% up. Pepsi, 6.6 shares, 1% down. Pfizer, 4 shares, 2% down. US Bancorp, 7.6 shares, nearly 30% up. Unilever, 16.385 shares, which is 5% up. We have 14 units of the FTSE 100, which is now in the ISA as well. A lot of positions I've managed to move across into the ISA, so we're doing well. We've now got the S&P 500 within my ISA as well. It went green on my Vanguard account, so I sold it and repurchased it in here. I did distribute some of the money elsewhere though. I had about £1,000 worth, and I only brought 400 back. I brought Johnson & Johnson with the rest of the money. Visa, 2.5 shares, 17% up. And Disney, 2.5% up. But I have put in a sell order for that because they've suspended the dividend. I just watched Dave at Hidden Freedom Investing and he's doing the same. It just made me think, good point. It's dead money sitting there. Once they reinstate the dividend, I will buy back. And if we look at our invest account, not that many positions left in here now. I've managed to move a lot of them over to the ISA. So we're AGNC, 15 shares, 7% down. We've got AT&T with 28.2 shares, 2.6% down. Bowen's recovered nicely, we're just 10% down now. Was 50% down at one point. BP, 14 shares, 14.5 shares, 8% down. We've got Coke, 13.7 shares, 4% down. Ford, also recovered nicely, 13% down. That was up to about 40% down at one point as well. Greggs, 9.7 shares, 5.7% down. HSBC, 12 shares, 21% down. The FTSE 250 ETF, we are 15% down. Leggett & Platt also recovered very nicely indeed, almost going positive, with 12.8 shares of that. Prospect Capital, 20 shares, 2.6 down. Realty Income, we are 21 shares, at 3% down. And SSE, we've got 40.5 shares, 5% down. And if we look at our dividend spreadsheet, you can see for the month of May we received £23.27 in total. That's £3.43 from Realty Income, £9.71 from AbbVie, £8.51 from AT&T, £1.15 from AGNC, 47p from Prospect Capital. That's it. And so far this month we've had £11.62 in June already. We should easily surpass May. I don't think we'll surpass April because that was an exceptional month, but we should surpass May easily. So the portfolio is currently valued at £10,862. Payday next week. yeah, thanks for watching.